Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. Today we've got another song from the Super Easy Songbook, Best Songs Ever. This time we'll be looking at Georgia on My Mind, and in this video I will walk you through each of the chords that are used and show you how to play them on the keyboard. Let's take a look.
All right, so let's look at the chords for Georgia on My Mind, and this will be from the book Best Songs Ever, the Super Easy Songbook. And what we're going to do is we're going to use all root position chords except for one, the B flat major and the B flat minor. And then I need to teach you the sevenths too, so I'm going to assume you've learned most of your root position chords already. So what we're going to do is look at the first seventh. So the first seventh is an A7, and we have, here's an A right here. And when you make a seventh chord, we've already got 1, 3, 5. What you do is you go up another third, another ball on the snowman, and our 7 is going to be 2 keys or a whole step down from where you started from. So you can judge it by the sound, but also look how far apart it is from here. So that's an A7. Now we usually don't play all 4, so you are welcome to leave off. Usually leave off this one, but once in a while if it's really low, we might play those 2 instead. So we've got an A7. And the next 7 we've got is an E7. So I have an E right here. We're going to go up another skip. You notice that's a whole step down. So there's the E7. Play it like this, or play it like this. Then we've got a C7. And this time we're going to end up on a black note, because if you only went down this far, it would only be a half step. So we need to go down to a whole step. So that means you'll slide your fingers in closer to the fall board here. Play it like this, or play it like that. Let's see, D7. So here's our D. We'll go up to here, either this way or this way. Let me see, E7, D7, I think I saw a B flat 7. So a B flat 7, the easiest way if you're not sure what to play in the middle is, again, look here and go down a whole step. And that will sound good down there. What do we have up on the top? Those are the missing notes, though, if you want to add the missing ones. But I would start with the shell. That would be the easiest way. B flat is probably newer. And let's see, we've already done G7, E7. I think we have covered them all. So those are all the 7th chords. Once again, we've got an A7. I will play all 4 just for your reference, even though we usually don't do that. An E7, a C7, a D7, and a B flat 7. All right, then the rest of the chords will be in root position, F, D, except for whenever we come to a B flat. Here's our B flat minor, and this is a root in the middle, B flat, D flat, F. And the reason we're playing it here is because it just didn't sound good down there. So we've got D minor root up to B flat root in the middle, and then we slide right down into an F. And then I'm skipping the 7ths now. The next root position is a G minor. And we have an A minor, and then another G minor, then an F, then a D minor. And then we have a B flat root in the middle again, sliding down to an F. Then we have a G minor, an F, a D minor, a G minor, a D minor, and then we have that B flat 7. So when you have a 7, you know you're going to stretch out. Think about going down a whole step. D minor, G minor, D minor. And I think we've covered everything. We have one more B flat root in the middle near the end of the song. And I think that covers them all. So let's walk it through. I will play along with the drums and I'll call out the chords as we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. F, A7, D minor, B flat root in the middle, F, E7, G minor, C7, A minor, D7, G minor, C7, F, A7, D minor, B flat root in the middle. F, E7, G minor, C7, F, B flat root in the middle, and then A7, D minor, G minor, D minor, B flat 7, D minor, G minor, D minor, G7, D minor, G minor, D minor, E7, A minor, D7, G minor, C7, F, A7, D minor, B flat root in the middle, F, E7, G minor, C7, F, B flat, F. So a couple of tips. You notice we have B flat major and B flat minor, and I didn't always call out the differences when it's going by so fast. So we use B flat minor most of the time, and then on the second page, in the middle of the second line, they have a B flat major, and then again at the very end of the song when it goes F, B flat, F. And then I noticed I've forgotten one of the sevenths. So we have G7. Nice, all white notes. You can pick this note, you can pick that note. So I have another video that shows the entire song with both hands, and I'm not calling anything out. I'm just playing it so that you can listen to it or play along with it. Have fun with it. I'll see you at your next lesson.